My word, we've got dark blue under this orange paint. Like royal blue. And I've got all this tan looking brown primer, a little bit of body filler. And then over here we've got a lot of blue shining through. Dark, dark blue. And then up here we got like greens and dang, what color was this truck? I don't know. All right, so after a day of paint strip, sanding, washing, that's what we're at. Found out that the truck had blue fenders, a green hood, so it's probably a blue truck, and they replaced the hood years back. And then they painted over all that with orange, so wow. Paint it white tomorrow. Well, prime it tomorrow.